It's a windy day in Toucanland. Lots of breeze going today. And the toucans are doing a bit of croaking. Where are ya? Yeah, it's mostly Paws and Mr. Pepe who do the croaking. But they're not croaking because they hate the wind. They are croaking because they hate what comes with the wind. And what comes with the wind where we are the kiteboarders, which are the official arch nemesis of the toucans. This is the view, what they're looking at, and there's a kiter right there. There's another one. To them, those kites look like evil demon birds who are out to get them. No matter how much I assure them they are not, they are still at the point where they like to complain about the kites interfering in their airspace. This area behind us is known as one of the top kite destinations in the world. So it is inevitable with the wind for it to be a kite day. This is the view that the toucans spend their day looking at. Hi guys. They're not gonna hurt you though, are they? It's okay, huh? Oh, Pepe. They've come to a point where they're not scared of it anymore. They just like to express their displeasure with the croaking. Windy day, Toucanland. Paco, on the other hand, just lets those two knuckleheads croak. He doesn't really care, huh, Paco? Say no. Not a big deal.